Alright, so we've got our animation working here, and now we want to go ahead and export that so we can use these images as sprites for our processing project. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to set our duration here to no delay, and we're going to go up here to File, Export, and Render Video. Make sure the name of our file is good, and I would really recommend not using any spaces or special characters here because that might run into problems when we get into processing. I don't know. Go ahead to select the folder. That's very important. And what I would recommend is let's go ahead and make a new folder somewhere where you'll find it. And that's down here, the new folder button. And we'll call this walk sprites. Create. Then choose. Okay, so that's going into the walk sprites folder. Make sure we've got image sequence checked here, PNG, and starting number, we can start this at 0 or 1. I might start it with a 1, which will start us on frame 1 instead of frame 0. And then document size should be the same as you already set your document up, all frames. And then for alpha channel, make sure, I think the default is none, make sure that you choose straight unmatted here, and you can leave the frame rate at 30. And let's do it. And the reason why we set our durations down here to 0 seconds or no delay is that it's really going to ignore this basically and just go ahead and render out one copy of each frame, which in this case for sprites is what we want. If you're doing something like for QuickTime or for compositing, you might want to go ahead and change your durations and then choose your frame rate, but it doesn't matter for us for doing this type of a project. So now we're going to go ahead and hit render. It will think about it for a second, and that's basically it. It's done because it's only rendering 4 frames. So if I go back to my Finder, I should have that here. So M203 walk sprites, and there we go. Those are our sprites, and they're in the right order, so that processing should be able to call those when it needs to for bringing them into the programs you'll be making. So that is about it for how to make animations in Photoshop. Quick and dirty, and have fun with it. Okay, bye.